कल्चर से रिलेटेड कुछ और टर्म आप समझ लो, क्योंकि हमारे सिलेबस में एक आता है टॉपिक स्ट्रेटिफिकेशन, डायमेंशंस ऑफ स्ट्रेटिफिकेशन, उसमें है सिलेबस याद हो गया आपको? नहीं चल रहा है? ओके फाइन। डायमेंशंस ऑफ स्ट्रेटिफिकेशन में देयर इज वन टॉपिक रेस एंड एथनिसिटी, है ना? एथनिसिटी, रेस एंड एथनिसिटी। तो उधर एक टर्म आएगा, उसका यूज होगा, दैट इज एथनोसेंट्रिज्म। एथनोसेंट्रिज्म ऐसे भी न्यूज़पेपर में भी आता, मतलब रेगुलरली यू विल सी दिस टर्म इन न्यूज़पेपर्स आल्सो, एथनोसेंट्रिज्म। या सो एथनोसेंट्रिज्म, एथनो मीन्स पीपल, या एथनो का लिटरल मीनिंग इज पीपल, सेंट्रिज्म सेंट्रिक। यस ना? समझ लो, सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट है। तो एथनोसेंट्रिज्म is over obsession for our own culture. Ethnocentrism refers to obsession or over obsession for our own culture, isn't it? कि my culture is supreme, my people, my culture, you know, my, yes, so that is, मतलब culture में comes everything, you know, religion, values, norms, everything under culture. So over obsession, right, orientation, isn't it, for our own culture is referred as condition of ethnocentrism. Ethnocentrism, yes na? Right.
Do you know what's common between IAS Swati Sharma and IAS Arnav Mishra, who were preparing for the UPSC exam in 2022? They both choose the same optional subject for the UPSC exam, which is Sociology. They both decided to join Vikash Ranjan sir's Sociology optional program and prepared the mains examination in Sociology under his teaching and mentorship and succeeded in the UPSC Civil Service examination. Vikash sir daily after class interaction with students cleared their general studies doubts as well. Just like IAS Swati Sharma and IAS Arnav Mishra, many others also followed Vikash Ranjan sir guidance and teaching for preparation of Sociology optional. And remember, success is not a matter of chance, rather right choice. Thousands of toppers made right choice by joining Vikash Ranjan sir for Sociology and essay preparation. That is a solution for 750 marks in mains. Make right choice and subscribe our courses for Sociology optional, essay, ethics and CSAT.
तो ethnocentrism has both functional manifestations as well as dysfunctional manifestation. I mean, when we analyze consequences of ethnocentrism, तो it has certain functions also, right? Function क्या होता? Preservation of culture, है ना? Continuity of culture, stability in society, isn't it? Among the group, basically, yeah? But dysfunction क्या होता? Discrimination against people belonging to other cultures, other language, other religion, isn't it? Getting your point? So this is also related to culture. Ethnocentrism over obsession for our own culture, lifestyle, dress code, language, isn't it? Getting your point? ये सब culture का part है ना? Right? So अगर आप बिल्कुल ही obsessed हो गए उस पे, बिल्कुल कि नहीं, mine is supreme, mine is the best, so that is situation of ethnocentrism. Yes na? Basically ethnocentrism leads to inward orientation towards our membership group or community, है ना? जो membership group है, जिस group को आप belong करते, आपका community है, so उसमें inward orientation, this leads to inward orientation, isn't it? Right? So this is like ethnocentrism is also related to fundamentalism. We have a topic, you know, है ना? Religion में we have a topic, है ना? Fundamentalism. Yeah? What is fundamentalism? आजकल तो ये सब पूरे वर्ल्ड में, हाँ, fundamentalism simply refers to, yeah, I mean belief in infallibility of fundamentals of religious text, है ना? Belief in infallibility, timelessness in fundamentals of religious text, कि जो religious text कह रहा है वो सही है. दैट इज द अल्टीमेट ट्रूथ. फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ, मतलब in context of religion, we have to discuss in religion. Fundamentalism is a topic related to religion and society. Religion and society में हमारे syllabus में, yes ना, right. तो basically ethnocentrism मतलब obsession for our own religion, culture leads to fundamentalism. Fundamentalism and fundamentalist, orientation, movements and conflicts also. Yes na, right. So this is right. Please note ethnocentrism. Look, subnational consciousness, right, is also related to ethnocentrism. People are oriented towards their own people, own culture, own territory, isn't it? लेकिन मैंने यहाँ term use किया, subnational में अपन use नहीं करते obsession, over obsession. यहाँ पे obsession. Yeah, yes, please. Ethnocentrism. In orientation class I said कि 95% question will be related to topic. 5 मतलब जैसे last year तो in paper 2 hardly one question है ना, one question was not related to topic, rest of the top questions were related. So एक question आया था UPSC में social closure, short note on social closure, right. अब जैसे यहाँ आपको बताया मैंने term use किया ethnocentrism में social, it leads to social closure, isn't it? मतलब if people become group of people oriented towards their own, then certainly they will close their society. Yeah, yes na, that society will be referred as closed society. Yes or no? Last person, yes na, right, closed society. So that leads to, जैसे casteism also leads to social closure, communalism also leads to social closure. Short note था उस पे 5 point लिखना था. Short notes means 5 points, right? Ethnocentrism, casteism, communalism, fundamentalism, isn't it? Getting your point? All these leads to social closure. Getting your point? Simple, right? तो ये सब जो terms आ रहा है ना, तो इधर याद रखना है, हाँ, कि ethnocentrism leads to social closure. Ethnocentric, isn't it? Definition क्या कहता है? Obsession for own culture, and culture is a broad term. Yeah, culture is a broad term. Yes or no? Right. है ना? जैसे like suppose people from Haryana, if they become ethnocentric, speaks only Haryanvi, isn't it? If they don't allow English medium education, Hindi medium education only, so वो कैसा कहा जाएगा behavior? Ethnocentric behavior. Instability. आप नहीं देखते हिंदी, I mean Marathi speaking people and non-Marathis. At times, conflict. Yes na? तो conflict between Marathi and instability for the time being, instability. Yes na? या बाद में भी होता रहा. At times, we see, right, conflict असम के अंदर Assamese and non-Assamese, right, Hindi speaking people and, isn't it? At times, not always, है ना? कभी कभी एनोमी होता है सोसाइटी में, yes ना? तो at times, so that is instability, social instability. एथनोसेंट्रिज्म का जो फंक्शन है ना, वो इस टर्म में भी है. एक और टर्म आता है, हालांकि उतना डिटेल में हमें नहीं जाना है, दैट इज फोक वेज, FOLKWAYS, फोक वेज. फोक वेज मतलब फोक का वेज, मतलब रूरल पीपल या फोक कल्चर, समझते हो ना, है ना? तो फोक वेज. सो मेनी फोक वेज हैव कंटिन्यूड, यस और नो? फोक वेज का लास्ट पर्सन, फोक समझते हो ना, फोक कल्चर. अरे फोक म्यूजिक तो समझते होंगे ना.